Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to file jointly on TurboTax. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and visit the official TurboTax website. After sign into your account and you'll be directed to the TurboTax homepage. Here, click on the My Info section. This is where you'll provide or update personal details about yourself and your spouse. Click on Revisit if you've used TurboTax before, or Start if this is your first time. As you go through each screen, make sure to double-check every entry and click Continue to move to the next section. Next, you'll arrive at the About Your Household section. This part determines whether the joint filing status applies to your situation. When prompted, select Married. This is the key factor that enables TurboTax to prepare your return as a joint filing. Once that's done, you'll see an option labeled Plan to File Jointly. Click on it to finalize your intent to file with your spouse. This step tells TurboTax to prepare your documents under the Married Filing Jointly status, automatically adjusting calculations, deductions, and benefits that apply to joint filers. And that's it! So that is how you can file jointly on TurboTax. So that's all for this video. Thanks.